What's up, patrons? Quick little announcement for you guys. Tonight is the all patron hangout, so if you are able to see this message, you are invited. Link will be down below to our hangout tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Central Time. We're over here in Florida. I'm really excited about this. Hopefully we can get all 16 of you guys here and joining, getting to talk, because I haven't... Sorry, my bananas just fell. I'm really excited to get to talk to you guys. Also, another announcement, I sent out messages to a lot of you, but if you didn't see it, we changed the format here on Patreon. So instead of being a per video pledge basis, where if you pledged $1 every time we put up a video, so 8 times a month, you would pledge $1 to us. A lot of people were confused by it. Heck, even Ashley was confused by it, and she's the one part of this whole thing. So we switched it to a per month basis. The only downside is if you guys were pledging $1, you're now only pledging $1 a month, which if that's what you want to stay at, that's totally cool. But if you want to get the new updated perks, head over to the main Patreon page and look at the perk levels. I think the tiers are starting at $5 a month. So the tiers are actually cheaper, because originally with the $1 per video pledge, the cheapest you could do was $8 unless you changed your maximum bid to $5. Anyways, without getting too confusing, you are now getting more perks for less money, simplified as far as okay, if I pledge $5, it's $5 a month no matter what. So head on over to the main page. That link will also be down below. But hopefully you guys will all be at the live hangout tonight at 9 p.m. Central. Really excited to see you guys. And again, thank you so much for your support in helping this crazy adventure happen. I've got to clean up this house though. Here's a little behind the scenes look. That's what happens when Maverick gets a hold of a coloring book. Alright, we'll see you guys soon.